Be ready. Start. Sir, when one sees the estimates of the railways, one feels that the estimates are too much in regard to the foreign exchange component. Stop. I should congratulate the Railway Ministry for having spent less than the estimated amounts. Stop. But sir, efficiency does not mean more expenditure. Stop. You may spend less and still you may feel very happy about it. Stop. Efficiency does not mean only a measurement in terms of money. Stop. Delays, inefficient administration, late running of trains, losses, delay in moving the passenger and good traffic. All these contribute to a setback to national development as well as efficiency. Stanza. Sir, so much has been said about coal and about the failure of the railways to transport coal. Stop. Coming from a place with the largest production of rice, I can say with great emphasis that in Andhra, for want of wagons, rice could not be transported to the south and to other places, especially Kerala. Stop. Not only rice, but with regard to articles like jaggery, charcoal, timber, firewood and other things, there was a heavy blockade in Andhra as far as the railways were concerned. Stanza. Sir, while talking about coal, many honorable members referred to Bihar and West Bengal. Stop. But I would like to mention a word about the coal mines of the south. Stop. For want of wagons, about 7 lakh tons of coal continued to lie at the pit heads, and all this could not be moved to the south where there was a great demand for coal. Stop. The coal production in the collieries was according to the plan. Stop. It was not as if the railways did not expect or that the colliery produced something more than the expected allotment. Stop. But the railways fell short of it. Stanza. In this connection, sir, I would like to point out when there was an uproar in Parliament in February over the shortage of wagons on the South-Eastern Railway, instead of trying to solve the problem in a more practical and in a good way immediately, the railway minister said that he had switched off 150 wagons serving the colliery belonging to the Central Railway to the South-Eastern Railway. Stop. If you want to solve a problem, it is not by creating another problem. Stop. The Honorable Deputy Minister seems to be very doubtful, but I can tell him that 150 wagons were removed from the Central Railway. Full stop. Over.